Today we'll be installing the InspireLights LED boards for the second generation Acura TLX. Tools you'll need are an oven, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, T15 Torx, a step drill bit, an 8mm socket or a 5/16 socket, Morimoto butyl glue headlight sealant, JD Weld quick weld. A cordless drill is recommended, as well as mini spring clamps. To prepare getting the headlight for disassembly, you'll first need to remove the ballast. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver to help remove the connector. You'll need to remove several T15 Torx screws that are around the headlight. There are 6 total T15 Torx screws around the headlight. Please note that there are several around the heatsink that should not be removed. Baking setup. Preheat your oven to 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't put the headlight in the oven until the oven is completely preheated. Make sure the headlight is in the center of the oven. Depending on the oven that you have, you might have to readjust the shelves or remove a shelf. Electric ovens bake the headlights around 6 to 7 minutes, gas oven for 5 minutes, and make sure not to put the headlight in the oven upside down. As some time has gone by, you can remove the headlight from the oven. Please use heat-resistant gloves as it is very hot. While the butyl is still hot, use a flathead screwdriver to pry between the housing and the lens. Follow the step sequence in the photo on the screen. Once the headlight lens is removed, remove 5 T15 Torx screws as shown here. There is a connector that you should also disconnect. Once the shroud is removed, you can separate the DRL tube from the LED board's cover. This may take a little force. On the back of the headlight, there are 2 headlight adjustment screws. There is a black cap around the top adjustment screw. You can just remove that with a flathead screwdriver, and you can remove the adjustment screws with an 8mm socket. Keep a note of how long the adjustment bolt sticks out. It should be around ½ inch. You'll need to remember how much is sticking out when reinstalling the headlight shroud. Now you don't have to completely remove the 8mm adjustment bolts, just enough that you can get clearance to remove the LED boards. Once you have these 8mm bolts all the way to the end, pry on the shroud shown to remove the bezel from the housing. There are 2 areas that you should be prying on. Once they are removed from the housing, you should have enough room to remove the LED boards. There are additional T15 Torx bits that you should remove from the gray cover, and you should have full access to the LED boards. Remove the connectors and install the InspireLights LED boards with the gray LED boards cover. On the back of the headlight, make a ½ inch hole to run both InspireLights LED board connectors outside the headlight. The black LED driver should be outside the headlight, and you can use some JD Weld quick weld to reseal these holes. From there, you should be able to reverse all the steps by reinstalling all the screws, the adjustment 8mm bolts, making sure they're sticking out about a ½ inch, and then all the T15 Torx on the shrouds. From there, you can reinstall the headlight lens, then bake for 6 minutes at 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to preheat the oven to 270 first. Leave the headlight in the oven for about 6 minutes, then remove the headlight from the oven, clamp the lens with the mini spring clamps, and then reinstall the T15 Torx bits.